Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition replacement door handle that fits the Nissan Altima, Armada, Murano, Pathfinder, as well as the Titan from about 2013 to about 2019, depending on which model you have. So let's take a look at the handle here. So this handle is for the left side of the vehicle. So this is going to be the driver's side of the vehicle. And this handle will fit either the front or the rear door. You can see here the chrome part of the handle here is covered with plastic. And that's to prevent any sort of scratches. So you can wait until the handle's installed to remove that. That way you don't get any scratches on here. Aside from that, you can see the lock roller here is included. And you can see this utilizes the factory mounting points. There's 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And then on the back side, the cables or rods from the vehicle's locking mechanism will clip into there. This is a direct replacement for the factory handle. There's no cutting or gluing or anything like that. You can just remove the door panel, remove the factory handle, and install this one in its place. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us directly, and we'd be glad to help.